Hi everyone, SJ and Dan here from Nisswa Marine. We are sitting in the 2023 Premier 250 Intrigue RL, and Dan's going to break down what that means, the RL layout.
Exactly. Well, thanks, SJ. Yeah, so like she said, we're sitting in a 25-foot Intrigue, but the purpose of this video is to show you the RL layout. Now, this is something that came out a few years ago with Premier, and it's been quite the hit. So this configuration, you can get this in the Sensation, you can get it in a Solaris, and you can get it in the Intrigue. So this is probably how you would have it majority of the time, where you have your forward-facing bench, and then also you can go around the backside. And with these chains and this bar setup, this is actually legal to ride facing backwards. Let's check out the rear lounger aspects. I'm gonna slide this all the way this way. That just lifts right from the middle. Really easy to slide. And now you have a full extension rear facing layout. So talk about luxury when you're on the water. Or you can flip it, and now you're still relaxing, but you're facing forward. And this also creates a really cool playpen if you got the kids, or if you want to do some sun lounging. You can flip this down all the way too to create a full-on bed. Last but not least, another function of this layout is you get your hinge storage. So this comes all the way down, it flips on the other side as well, and that's a full pass-through storage.
Dan, thanks for showing us that RL layout. That's just one of the many features on our brand new 2023 Premier pontoons right here at Nisswa Marine. We will see you for some more videos. Stop by anytime to see our huge fleet of pontoons in 2 heated indoor showrooms.